Domo's Data Lineage gives you the ability to quickly discover what datasets have been combined and/or transformed to generate the dataset powering your card. You can access the data lineage of a card by clicking on Data Lineage in the Card Details view, or by going into Analyzer and selecting Lineage from the Feature ribbon. Both of these will open a visualization that shows how all the different datasets are combined into the current dataset that powers your card. The List panel allows you to see all the individual datasets, data flows, cards, and alerts powered by this dataset. Selecting any of these datasets will display additional details for that dataset, such as the owner, the number of direct and indirect impacts on downstream elements, the update history, and the number of rows and columns. If you do not have permission to view the dataset details, this info panel will be locked. Clicking the View arrow on a dataset will take you to the data lineage for that particular dataset. You can also select any of the data flows or data fusions to see additional details in the info panel. A data fusion icon indicates that a data fusion was used to generate the child dataset. Clicking on the arrow will take you to the Details view. Additionally, clicking View Full Impact will display the data fusion's data lineage. A data flow icon indicates that a data flow was used to generate the child dataset. If the data flow is broken, this icon will be orange. Clicking on the arrow will take you to the data flow's history. View all the datasets and connections used to power your cards and datasets with Domo's Data Lineage.